In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a coming soon page on Wix with ChatGPT. Start by making sure you are already logged into both Wix and ChatGPT. In Wix, open your dashboard and choose the website you want to edit. Then click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Next, go to ChatGPT and enter a simple prompt asking for copy for a coming soon page. Ask it to write a headline, one sentence explaining what is launching, and a short line inviting visitors to leave their email address. Once ChatGPT generates the text, copy the content so you can use it in your Wix page. Now return to Wix. On the left side of the editor, click Pages and Menu. Add a new page and choose a blank page layout. Name this page Coming Soon, so it is easy to identify. Once the page is created, remove any extra sections you do not need. The goal is to keep the page clean and simple, with one main section that focuses on the upcoming launch. After that, add a text element for the main headline. Paste in the headline that ChatGPT created. Then add another text element below it, and paste the short sentence that explains what is launching. Add one more text element underneath that, and paste the line inviting visitors to leave their email. With the text in place, click Add Elements and open the Contact and Forms section. Choose a subscribe form and add it to the page. Move the form so it sits below the Coming Soon message. If needed, customize the form fields and update the button text so it matches the style of your page. Make sure the text and form are centered or positioned in a way that looks balanced and easy to read. When the desktop version looks good, switch to mobile view. Review the layout carefully and make any small adjustments needed so the page looks clean on smaller screens as well. Next, click Preview to test the page before publishing. This lets you check that the content appears correctly and that the subscribe form is visible and properly placed. Once everything looks right, click Publish in the top right corner. Then open the live page and confirm that your Coming Soon message and email sign-up form are both visible and working as expected. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.